Namaste everyone, I am Avani Kashyap from Purna Pramati 8th grade. Today I have made a telescope and named it as DIY Galilean Gazer. A great scientist, Galileo Galilei, was the very first one to invent a telescope. He did this in 1609. He made a refracting telescope using two lenses, one concave and a convex. Here I have tried to make a replica using simple items. Here in this telescope we have a convex lens used as an objective lens and a concave lens as an eyepiece lens in a long tube. Here I have used two soda cans and painted them, and then used one convex and one concave lens and used some double-sided tape to secure them. Here, the light enters the telescope through the far end and passes through the objective convex lens and gets focused at the focal point. Focal point is the point where the viewer sees through the telescope. And then the light reaches this point where we have our eyepiece lens, which is our concave lens. Our concave lens magnifies the light so that it covers a larger portion of the viewer's retina. Now, let's get to know the science more better. I have a diagram to explain this. Here is a diagram. Here, this is the primary lens, which is the convex lens, and this is the eyepiece lens, which is the concave lens. Here, when the parallel ray of light enters into the telescope and passes through the convex lens, it collects and concentrates the light. And then, when it comes here and passes through this, the concave eyepiece lens makes the concentrated light rays parallel again. And then the light is being concentrated into this smaller area. Now, let us learn this practically. There is an object. I'm going to show you how it looks through a telescope. Now, there is a bottle. Now let's test how it looks through this telescope. Here is my telescope. I'm placing it near my camera. Yeah. If you move it further, it starts to zoom your image. Can you see that? Yes. If you pull it back, it starts to reduce. And one thing you should remember is that you shouldn't be moving it like this all the time. You should stop adjusting at a certain point according to your eye power. There, where you can see a clear and a zoomed image. Like this is supposed to be a clear image. Thank you.